Hello guys, how are you doing? First of all, we shall go through what we have created in our SQLite class. If you can remember from the last time, we created methods that we shall be using. Then also I think we managed to use one method, which is the insert method that we used in our add customer class, right? So in this tutorial, we want to pull data from our SQLite database and display it into our application. So as I illustrated earlier, what we need to do first is to create the layout of the list. So go to your layout, right click and new layout resource file. We'll name it customer list, right? Then also I need it to be a relative layout. Okay, cool. Okay, great. These are list view. Okay, but since we want to use a card view, I think it's a good idea to wrap up our relative layout inside a card view layout. So first thing that we need to do is to add the dependencies of the card view first in our Cradle, so that we'll be able to use the card view. Okay, already we have the recycler view, so we need the card view. Okay, so need to then sync our project. Okay, I hope it doesn't take long. Okay, great. So we go to our list view. So the first thing that we need to do is to wrap our relative layout inside our card view. So card view. Okay, the next thing that we need our card view, we need an ID. What shall we name it? Like card view. Okay, cool. So I think take this and put it here. Okay. Then I think we need to take this relative layout and put it there. Okay, cool. So the next thing that we need to do is to define our width, and our height. So width. So we need it to fill the whole screen, left to right. So we need to do it match parent. Okay. Next thing that we need to define is our height. I think we can wrap content. Okay, great. The next thing that we need to define is our mesh parent. Is things like corner radius. So I think our card we need it to have curved edges, right? So I'll just put it as 3 dp. The next thing that we need to add is the elevation, where our card will show a little bit of a shadow on at the bottom, right? Okay, so card elevation, I think 3 dp is still fine. It's not too much. Then also I think for now I want my background color to be white. For now, we can change it later. Then also I think I also need to set the margins, right? So think let's put the preview there. Okay, so the first thing we need to set is the margin left. I'll set it to 5 dp. Then the next thing that we need to set is the margin right. I'll put it 5 dp. The next thing that we need to set, I think, the margin bottom. Yeah, I think margin bottom, I think I'll also put it at 5 dp. Right. Great. Then, is there anything else that I left? I think it's fine. Then I don't think we still need the namespace declaration here. Okay. Do it like that. Okay. Then I think I need some padding inside enable 5 dp. Right. Okay, great. Refresh layer, blah 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 blah. Okay, cool. Windows Studio back. Okay, so the first thing that we need to add is the customer name. Okay, so I think I'm going to switch into the design mode. I don't know why this thing is keep on popping. Okay, let me try to build the project. Just wonder. Okay. I think I need to drag and drop things here, but since I have set my height to wrap content, I don't think I'll be able to do that. So I think I'm going to change it to mesh parent just for a temporary time. Okay, so I put it to mesh parent, right? Cool. So the first thing I need to do is to drag and drop the text view. I'll name this one, this text view, I'll name it to custom full name. That's too far. Customer full name. Okay. Then I think also need to add our phone number. Okay, so I'll name this one txt customer phone number. Okay, great. Next thing that we need to add is our car model. So add it here. Okay, great. We name it txt car model. Okay, car model. Then the next thing we need to add is our number plate. Okay, great. So we name this view txt number plate. Okay, so when you're creating views and naming them, try to create something that makes meaningful, so that you won't get tough time when you are in your Java class, when you're trying to refer your text views within the code. Here we set up our status, so I'll say txt status. Okay, and lastly, I think the amount, right? Okay, use amount, txt amount. Great. I think now I'm going to turn back our height to wrap content. Right. Voila, great. I think you're doing well. This is our card view. We are done now. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an adapter for our list. Right. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in the next lecture.